Hi guys, welcome back. Karcher here. Today I'm going to show you guys how my Bitcoin trading algorithm works, and I just going to give you the last three buy and sell signals that it gave me. And so yeah, let's get into it. So just wanted to show you. So basically, we have three buy signals and three sell signals, and we're going to go back to the first buy signal on July 2nd. And I'm basically just going to show you guys an example of how much money you could make from this strategy if you were to invest $1,000 on July 2nd. So here I've got the description, and I'm just going to kind of go back and forth, unless I can have it so we can see it at the same time. Let's see. Okay, yeah, that'll be fine. So essentially, what we got is the MACD and the RSI right here. This is a special version of the MACD and the RSI, which you can have access to if you go to my training course. So basically what we're looking at right here is the MACD line, which crosses the signal line, the blue line. And there's an in-depth explanation of how all this stuff works in the training course, and it shows you how to set up all this stuff. But I just quickly wanted to show you what the signal really means. So the white line, the MACD line, when it crosses from underneath, that is a buy signal. And there's three things we're looking for here. First of all, is we're looking at the cross, and is it -2? This isn't over. I guess essentially it's not under -2, but it's really close. So it's good enough for me. And then the RSI is fully bottomed out. Not fully -1, but -0.9. That's good enough. And so basically the three things we're looking for is, first of all, is the cross happening below -2? Is the white line crossing from underneath the blue line? And then the third thing is the RSI at -1, or is it close to it? So this is our first buy signal at 9,800 here. So what I got on the right hand side here is we're going long 9,800. Using our $1,000, we are able to purchase 0.102, and this is not including the fees, so I didn't want to get into that, but this is just a generic example. So we were able to buy 0.102 BTC July 2nd, and so now the short signal comes right here. So we got the cross, white lines coming from over the top now, which is a sell signal. We're at positive 2.24, which is above 2, which is the threshold for a strong signal. And the RSI is at 0.96, which is close enough. When it's all the way at the top, that's what we're looking for. So essentially, this is telling us to sell at about 12,700 if we're right on the money. So we sold at 12,700. So essentially, we were able to, with that 0.102, we were able to make $1,295, which is a $295 profit, or 29.5% ROI in 7 days. So that's the first signal. Now, the second signal didn't come until July 24th, almost 2 whole weeks later, where we have this cross right here, white line crossing from underneath, and RSI is fully bottomed out, and we're at -2.14. So it puts us in at about 96.50 here, give or take. And so now we reinvest that entire $1,295 back into Bitcoin, and this time we get 0.1341 Bitcoin, July 24th, right? So now when the short signal comes on August 5th, we're about right here, white line crossing from over the top. We're at 2.95, very strong sell signal. RSI is all the way above 1. And so you can see the algorithm wasn't right on the money here. We could have sold at 12,300, but it's not always right on the money. But 90% of the time, it's selling at the best time. And ultimately, as long as you're making money, that's all that really matters. But so this time we sold at 11,830, right on the cross. And so this time we made $292 more and 22.5% ROI in just 12 days. So now we've got $1,587. So literally just a month from after we started, we've already made $587, which would be 58.7% ROI on our initial investment in just a month's time. Okay. So now the next long position came at a really good time. This cross right here, white line crossing from underneath, negative 2.75. RSI is all the way bottomed out, -1. And essentially, we're going to be buying at roughly $10,000, give or take. So we're going to get, this time we're going to get 0.1587 Bitcoin with our 1500, August 14th. And so when the short signal comes, white line crossing from above, look at the cross, we're at 9.5. RSI is at 9.5 as well. And this happened at about $10,800. So this time was slightly less profit, but we're still now at $1,716. And that was $129 profit, 8.1% ROI. So essentially, in just the time of about a month and a half, literally 6 weeks, the algorithm has made us $716 in profit, or 71.6% ROI. And I mean, guys, when you just think about how good of a return that is, that's a really good return. I mean, most people would be happy to make that in years. It would take years for some people to make that kind of return. So this is the algorithm. We're taking advantage of the volatility in the Bitcoin markets, and I'm currently developing an actual trading robot that will actually send these signals to your phone, and also possibly even actually a robot that can trade the markets for you, so you won't even have to touch it, and it'll just be able to trade automatically. So stay tuned for that. But right now, I'll just show you guys what we do have on the new website, bitcoinmasterminds.io, is we do have a working trading robot that sends altcoin trading signals to your phone. And I'm just going to quickly show you guys what that bot has been doing. And it's actually up 20% today, on the day. And I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like. This is the members area. Don't mind this thumbnail. I'm going to change that. We're still making a lot of new videos and updates to the website, so you guys know. But if you are interested in these trading signals, you can go to the website and sign up. But so here's some of the closed positions just from literally the last 3 days. And the bot is up 137% in about the last 8 weeks, roughly. And you're going to see some of these 8% on GNT. Just, it's a scalping bot. And so basically you can get all these signals sent to your phone, and you can follow along with the bot and trade with it. And soon we'll be able to have you actually be able to use the robot so that it actually trades for you. But that part isn't ready yet, but I'll keep you guys updated. And so, yeah, guys, that's how my trading algorithm works. Like I said, I'm going to soon have a robot that sends these signals out, and as well possibly maybe even to trade it for you so you don't have to do anything. So that's all coming soon, guys. So check out the website. Let me know what you guys think. Instagram, Millionaire Mindframe 101, blockchain news, crypto experts. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video.